Developing story now in Operation Fast and Furious, a group asking a federal judge to allow access to what could be critical documents. The Justice Department arguing these documents were put under seal by the president, and that invokes executive privilege. My next guest is arguing against that. Tom Fitton's the president of Judicial Watch, and he's with me now. Tom, good morning to you.
Bill.
What do you want?
Hey. Well, we want the documents that the government, the federal Department of Justice, is withholding from Congress. And Eric Holder has been held in contempt over the refusal to turn over these documents. And these are documents about fast and furious lies to Congress. And Congress and the federal government and the Obama administration are fighting in court for years on this. Separately, we asked for the documents under the Freedom of Information Act, and the Justice Department came in and told the judge 16 months ago, you should hold off on Judicial Watch's request and lawsuit until we resolve this issue with Congress. Well, guess what? It's 16 months later. There's no resolution in sight. And even if that fight is settled one way or another, we still have a right to these documents.
Okay, a couple quick questions.
Yesterday in court,
let's be just real pointed on this, too. What do you think these documents will prove, Tom?
I think the reason the administration is withholding these documents is going to show a cover-up. They knew what was going on in Fast and Furious, this gun running in Mexico, causing violence in Mexico, leading to a death of a Border Patrol agent, Brian Terry, and they knew about it, and they lied to Congress about it for months. And we want information on that. Congress wants information on that. And the administration yesterday in court, the lawyer for the Department of Justice suggested that we should be able to wait, if necessary, 2 more years, even before we get a list of what documents they don't want to give us.
What is your best argument for winning today? I know you feel a bit optimistic that you will win. Your argument is what?
The law allows us to get access to these records. We have a right under the Freedom of Information Act to get access to these records or to force the administration to explain to the court why they're withholding them. They don't even want to do that. They want to bypass the Freedom of Information Act while they fight with Congress. The American people shouldn't play second fiddle to a political fight with Congress about documents.
Will you win today, Tom?
I don't know. The court said he's going to rule in the near future.
So you won't even get an answer today, then?
We won't get an answer for at least a few weeks, but we'll see. I think we're going to start getting more information. We have a record, as you know, Bill, of getting info from the government and from this administration that Congress can't get.
All right, Tom, thank you. Tom Fitton, President of Judicial Watch, will be in contact, okay? We'll see what happens. Thank you.